Yo, what's up YouTube guys? In this video I'm going to show you this awesome method to get free TikTok followers, and I'm also doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. But guys, there's this application called TikTok++, and I've seen so many different videos like this and they don't actually work. I found a working TikTok++ application. What it does is it actually, you connect your TikTok account to the actual application, which I'm going to teach you how to do. You connect your account, and then every single post you post on TikTok will automatically rank on the For You page. What that means is any video that you post, like me just chilling here, if I post it on TikTok, it'll automatically go viral, so it'll get you real followers and not fake generated followers. It's gonna get you a bunch of real followers. I personally have 200K already on TikTok by using this app. Get your real followers, real likes, real comments, real engagement, and that's what you guys are looking for in TikTok, not these fake follower generators, okay? So make sure you stay tuned, but I do want to mention I'm doing a huge Visa gift card giveaway for $250, guys. If you guys want to enter this giveaway, all you got to do is comment down below that you want TikTok followers and include your social media platform. That way we can contact you if you win, guys. So all you got to do is literally write, I want TikTok followers, and then drop your social media right down below. So if you win, I can send you this Visa gift card. But let's go right into the tutorial so that way I can teach you guys how to download TikTok++ so you can get every single post ranked on the For You page, so you guys can get a bunch of followers legitly. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the TikTok++ application. That'll pretty much, what it does is every post you post on TikTok, it'll automatically rank it on the For You page. You do need this application to connect to your TikTok account, so that way it can change the algorithm on your actual account and it can rank everything for you. So all you want to do is, if you're on, first part of the tutorial is going to be for Android, second part is going to be for iPhone, so refer to the timestamps down below. If you're on actual Android, all you want to do is go to your browser, Chrome, your internet browser, right? You go to odexgen.net. .net. And after you go here, guys, this is basically known as a third-party app store. If you guys don't know what that means, it's basically apps that get rejected on the Play Store because they do, like, obviously this app changes the algorithm, right? TikTok's not going to allow it on the actual Play Store, so you have to download it off a third-party website like this. You're going to see the TikTok application right there. You click install. And that's where TikTok++ is. I'm going to show you guys it works. So it says, do you want to download this? Just press OK. You're going to open the application. And do you want to install this application? Just press install. And it's installing right now, guys. As you can see, it shows TikTok++ right up there. Give it a second. My phone's kind of slower. Okay, so after it says app installed, all you want to do is find it on your home screen. There it is right there, TikTok++. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And it's going to start loading. Just give it a second. And we just have to do one more step after this. Alright guys, so right here it says verification required. All you have to do is tap verify. Pretty much you have to verify that you're a human. Kind of like when you sign up on a website and it makes you type in the letters in the box, or the amount of select the amount of dogs in a picture, or draw a cartoon, or whatever the case is. There's a bunch of different captchas. This one's a little bit more advanced. So there's going to be 4 offers on this screen. You have to complete all 4 offers, and then they will enable the TikTok++ application. All this is kind of said right there, but I just kind of summarized it for you. So all you have to do, guys, is there's a loading bar here. There's 4 offers. Complete all 4 offers. The loading bar will literally tell you to restart your TikTok++ application right there. You restart it, and that's it. You're good to go. You can start using it. You connect your TikTok account, and every single post you post on the on the actual TikTok application, it'll rank on the For You page, so you guys can get real for TikTok followers, likes, comments, engagement. That's how I got 200K on TikTok already. So here's the first app. You just click on it, press OK. All you got to do is download and open the app. You're going to open it for 30 seconds, and boom, that's one offer, right? So you open it for 30 seconds. I'm going to go through an example. Then you do the second offer, third offer, fourth offer, and you're done. These are surveys, so the surveys you get to complete takes a little bit more time, and that's it. After, it literally tells you after you've done 4 offers, that loading bar will refresh and it'll tell you to restart your TikTok++ application. You go ahead and restart it like this. Find the TikTok++, close it out, and reopen it right here on your main menu, and that's it, guys. That's how you're going to actually get on the For You page. Once you have it reopened after you verified, you type in your username, tap connect, and that's it. You can automatically start posting, and that's it. You'll get really, really famous like this. And let's go right into the iPhone tutorial. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to get free TikTok followers on iPhone. If you're on Android, make sure you refer to the timestamps down below. But if you're on iPhone, you're simply going to grab your phone. You're going to go to odexgen.net. That's the website you guys want to go to. This website is known as a third-party app store. They're not going to allow a TikTok algorithm changer on the Apple Store, right? So you got to go to a website that you don't need to jailbreak your phone on, which is odexgen.net, and you can download the application that'll enable the algorithm hack on your TikTok. So all you got to do is click install on the TikTok application, And you're gonna see this pop up. It says this website's trying to download a file, press allow, and it says profile downloaded. Once that happens, that means you don't have to jailbreak your phone. That means you're good to go. All you have to do is go to your settings, go to this screen right here. It's gonna show profile downloaded right there. Click on that. And then it's gonna say TikTok++, install. You click install, type in your passcode if you have a passcode. If you don't have a passcode, I won't ask you for one. Click next and install the application. Once you install it, it's gonna say profile installed. All you gotta do is, it's gonna be right there on your home screen, somewhere on your home screen, it's gonna show TikTok++. That's the application you guys want to enable the algorithm hack. Now all you gotta do is open that up, and boom, you're gonna come to a screen like this. This is pretty self-explanatory, and this one fully works as I've tested it myself. It's gonna say you have to pretty much complete 4 offers on this screen, and then they're gonna enable TikTok++ on your mobile device. This is just a security patch thing that you need to verify you're human. They're on all types of websites, such as Facebook and Instagram. This one's a little bit more advanced though. You have to complete all 4 offers on this screen, and then restart your TikTok++, and you're good to go. So right here is a loading bar. It says after completion, this page will unlock. Here's 4 offers. So all you gotta do is click on one of these offers. You're gonna press free, press OK, and you're gonna follow instructions. This one says search and install to earn. So you click search App Store, you find this app, and then you download it. Search App Store. We're gonna find Word with Friends 2, which is, did we pass it? There it is right there, Word with Friends 2. You're gonna download it, and then you're gonna open the app for 30 seconds. Very easy to do. They're high rating apps, by the way. They're not like bad apps. So you're gonna download the app, and then you're simply going to open it for 30 seconds as instructed. Give it a second. There you go, we're gonna open it for 30 seconds. And that's it, you let it run for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, guys, you go back to your main page, wherever the offers are at. I'm pretty sure it's in the TikTok++ app, there it is right there, you press done. And then you do the second offer, the third offer, and fourth offer. After you completed all 4 offers, guys, that loading bar will literally tell you to restart your TikTok++. You restart your TikTok++ like that, you reopen it, and then you're gonna be able to connect to your TikTok username and click generate FYP, guys, inside the application. Now, this is a different phone. I just wanna show you guys how to do it from scratch. And now that you guys know how, you can go ahead and get it started, guys. If you have any questions, let me know as well. Alright guys, by now you should have gone to TikTok++. All you have to do is verify that you're actually human on that page, and it's as simple as that. After you verified, guys, you're going to be able to type in your TikTok username, and all you got to do is tap generate FYP, and every single post from now on will automatically be ranked on the For You page, and you won't get banned or anything, so it's very easy to use. I've already got 200K on TikTok by doing this, so it's awesome. And like I said, guys, if you need any help, let me know. But if you guys do want to enter this Visa gift card giveaway for $250, all you got to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below that you want TikTok followers with your social media platform. And I'll see you guys in my next video.